what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Everybody's like he's no item, please don't like him. He don't wife him, he one night him. I never listen, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to. Seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? With you waiting all the gliding, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, better don't I won't think twice. Better than fuck up your pride. Now, just let me know. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull up on me, tell a nigga, baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You don't miss your opportunity. Shine light.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you.
Someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If it's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Only you. 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 Only you.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the air, but he never flies out. He a mother drip, drip, seller or the drip, drip. When he make it drip, drip, kiss him on her lip. Like that's the kind of dude I was looking.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look. If you guys are not aware, I used to rock nothing but a short haircut. So it's just so crazy that I'm back in my short hair. If you guys even scroll like all the way down at the bottom of my Instagram page, you guys can see me in my short haircut. I used to wear nothing but short hair.
Hello you guys, my name is Dom and you're watching The Tastemaker. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Rihanna Lead Cat Fenty Slides.
And it's just so crazy to me now that I'm back in my short haircut. One thing that I like about this wig though is that it was like pre-cut, so I didn't have to do any like cutting really. I did do some cutting here on the side just to like expose my ear a lot more. You know, I just didn't want my ear to be like covered in hair, so we have our ear exposed there. So I did cut this side down a little bit, and then I also cut this side down just so it's not like too thick. So you guys, I'm not really sure on all of the specs for this hair, but I will make sure that everything is left down in the description box down below for you guys. But this is what my side is looking like if you guys want to get a side profile view. Now I'm not gonna lie, the back of my head doesn't look all that great. I do need to like curl it and everything, but I wanted my wig to lay like flat, so I put my mousse on it, and that's typically what I would do in my short haircuts. I put foaming mousse and then I actually wrap it up with Sanic strips, but I don't have any Sanic strips, so all I did, oh dang, I left it. so I left it in my room. But basically I have like this wrap, so it's like a wrap for short haircuts. It's black and it's short, it has like Velcro on it. So I wrap my hair with that, and then I wrap that with a silk scarf, and then I came back on camera. So that's how I got my wig to like lay a little bit more flat, so it's not like too bulky. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's laying a little more flat to my head rather than like sticking straight out. So this unit, I want to say that this unit is like an 8-inch unit or something like that in the bang area. Obviously everywhere else is like super short. I love the cut on it. It has a nice little feathery bang action going on here. It does have layers in it. It's not like all one length, and it just looks super freaking cute. Now the only thing that I am having a little bit of an issue with is the part where the tracks start. So this is not like a true 13x4 where like this whole entire thing is a frontal. It is, but it isn't, because there are like the tracks do start like right here, and typically I would actually put this part like a little bit further back. Now short hair is not for everybody. I already know what you guys are gonna say, but I absolutely love wearing short hair. It really brings out like your face. It really shows off your face and like your natural like jawline and everything. Like I really like short hair on me, and it definitely gives you like a more sophisticated look. Now if you want to step this wig up a couple of notches, you could add a couple of blonde tracks to this and like add a little more pizzazz in like the bang area. But yeah, this wig is stinking cute. I think this wig is perfect for the summertime. You guys know it's about to start heating up, and if you've never tried a short haircut, I definitely think this is the perfect way to try it out. If you don't want to commit to like cutting your natural hair, try out a short haircut wig like this, and then just see how you feel about it before you do your big chop. A lot of you guys say that I can wear any hairstyle, and it's just because literally I just don't put limitations on myself. If I want to try something, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I want to say the first time that I ever got my hair cut was 2012. The last time that I wore a short haircut was either 2017 or 2018, and I can tell you exactly which date it was, because when I stopped wearing my short haircut, I wore this what I call the Kim K wig, and it was a synthetic wig review that I did, and it actually has a lot of views here on my channel. But that was first off my first synthetic wig, and that's what kind of like got the ball rolling to where I am now. Honestly, I started off with that synthetic wig. I started doing a bunch of synthetic wig videos, then hair companies started reaching out to me and sending me stuff, so that's kind of how I got to where I am right now. So it's very interesting that we are wearing a short haircut again, because it definitely has a lot of meaning to it. It means a lot to me. I feel like a short haircut can feel very empowering for some women. I know a lot of women actually cut their hair when they're going through like some type of big change in their life. They usually chop all of their hair off just for like a brand new start, and it's very refreshing. Honestly, I love rocking short hair. You don't have a bunch of stuff on you obviously, and you can really play around with it. It definitely gives you a more edgy type of look. If this was more lace right here, I would cut like some lines in it. I would cut something in. That was the other thing that I used to love about wearing my short haircuts, is that I would get like designs in the back of my head. I would dye my hair like crazy colors in the back, and I would do crazy colors in my bangs and like all type of stuff. I just used to have fun with my hair. So I just used to have a lot of fun with my short haircuts, and it's just awesome. But I do want to show you guys the back and the sides of my hair, because I just want to be as authentic and as honest as possible with you guys. I just want you guys to see the full view of the wig, because I know it's somebody sitting in their screen right now talking about, I just wish you would turn around so I could see what the back look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the back look like. This is what the back is looking like. I don't know if you guys can really see that good, but yeah, this is what the back of my head is looking like. And that's that. And then I do want to zoom in so you guys could just see like my sideburn action. You guys saw how quick and easy it was to actually do my little sideburn piece right here, but I actually didn't even do much to get it to look like this, and it's still like movable, which I've been loving lately. Like I want my baby hairs and sideburns and everything to move. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this short hair. I definitely have to take like some really cute pictures. I have to put the right outfit with it, you know what I'm saying? Right now I just have on this little cow print top, you know, nothing crazy, but I really do want to put like something cute together with this, because this is just edgy. You guys already know I love, ooh. And you guys, I did mess up my wrist today handling packages and I really think I messed something up. It's really sore. I did have it wrapped up during most of the video, but obviously ending the video I just took it off for a moment, but I am about to go ahead and just wrap my wrist back up. But that goes to show you ladies, don't make excuses. I could have been like, oh, I can't film today, I can't work today because I messed up my arm, I messed up my wrist. You know, I am in some pain. I am gonna go ahead and wrap my wrist back up. Yeah, it just hurts really. It's not like it's broken or anything. I think I just sprained it. It's just like really sore when I bend it, and it's just because I had like a bunch of heavy packages and I felt it when it happened. But I was just like trying to, you know how you just feel like you can just do one of these and then you'll just be fine. As the day has went on, like it's just gotten worse. So I thugged it out through this video. Please like the video for that alone. The fact that I still filmed this video in pain, I have my wrist wrapped up, but I still came through and recorded this video for y'all. So I'm gonna need y'all to like this video. And I don't make excuses, I just make it happen, you feel me? That's because, you know, that's what winners do. We win, you know what I'm saying? We gonna win regardless, you know what I'm saying? Michael Jordan, he has some shoes that's called the flu games. Why? Because he played a whole game with the flu. So them shoes that he wore, they call them the flu games to this very day. So just work through the pain, make it happen, get it done. You know, I just had to throw that in there real quick because I know some of y'all like, girl, what's with the wrist? It's looking real crazy. But you know, I still managed to make it work. My wrist is very sore, especially from filming this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I walked back down memory lane with y'all. Y'all saw some of my old pictures, some of my old videos and everything. Like, it's just so crazy how life just changes. Like, and I'm back to that weight again, you know, the same weight that I was in my video back in 2016, where I'm back to that same weight, probably a little bit skinnier, honestly. And I'm gonna get into that in another video. So if you want to know all about that, make sure you are subscribed, make sure you got them post notifications turned on, and I'm gonna see all of y'all in my next video. Bye.